Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to start a club in your Clubhouse account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Clubhouse account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Clubhouse app. Here I go. Your profile appears. Now at the bottom you can see create a club option. Tap on that. Now you can give a name to your club. Now you can add some membership. You can choose any of the option that is suitable for you. I will be tapping on by approval. Here again you can choose who can host rooms. You can choose any of the option that is suitable for you. I will be tapping on leaders only. Now you can add some topics. You can add up to 3 topics. Here I will be tapping on marketing, product and poetry. After you are done, you can tap on save. Now you can add some description here. After you are done, you can tap on create at the top right corner. Okay, a club of this name already exists, so I would need to rename the name of club. Here I will be typing. Now I will be tapping on create. Here you can add some members to your club. Here I will be adding few of my friends. After you are done, you can tap on done at the top right corner. Here you can also schedule your first event. Tap on that. Here you can give event a name. Now you can add a co-host or guest. You can choose date. You can choose time. You can add some description. After you are done, you can tap on publish on that top right corner. In this way, you can easily start a club in Clubhouse. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.